Hello, everyone. My name is Michaela Harmson. I'm a sophomore at Brigham Young University, Idaho. This is a picture of me, so now you know what I look like. I am hoping to become a marriage and family counselor. The responsibilities of a marriage and family counselor are to treat the psychological and mental issues related to families or marriages. So they work with families and they work with couples. So I will be providing guidance and mediation for clients, either in groups, so with their family, or individually to help them address problems that need resolving. This is also marriage and family counselors work with couples to be able to prevent problems from arising in their marriages. So the required education to become a marriage and family counselor is to get a master's degree to take, and then in Colorado, I looked into Colorado's requirements because that's where I'm hoping to practice. So they require an examination developed by the Association of Marital and Family Therapy Regulatory Board. So I will need to take that examination. Also, I will need to have supervised practice and be registered as a candidate and be accepted into the program. I will need to have 1,500 hours of client contact, and 1,000 of them need to be with families and couples. After, if I decide to pursue a doctoral degree, I can achieve full licensure after as little of 12 months of supervised work. So that's great. My relation to my 4-year plan for my career goals is, as you can see in front of you, these are the classes that I will need to take each semester. Those that are underlined are the classes that relate back to my psychology degree. So I will be taking those classes. And then in the spring 2021 semester, I will be taking my psych major field test. That is when I'm planning on graduating. Some other goals that I have, I will be utilizing the career and internship services to get my resume updated and have practice interviews every semester. So I'm hoping to do that at least once a semester. And then in my last semester, in the spring 2021 semester, I will use their services to have practice interviews every week, and so they can provide positive critiques to fix my interviews so that I can become a better interviewee. I will also be working with my networking. I have my former bishop's counselor, Brother Michael Williams. He is a certified marriage and family counselor, so I will be working with him, hopefully, and having interviews at least every semester, so that he will answer my questions regarding everything that I need to do with my marriage and family counselor degree. Also, I will utilize my profile on LinkedIn to search opportunities, such as internship opportunities, and then later for career opportunities. Also, while I'm here in school, I will join the Psychology Society, and I will use that to be able to look for new opportunities that arise. And so I will attend those meetings and get involved in the organization. Also, while I am in my off track in the fall 2020 semester, I will use that to find an internship and be able to prepare myself better. So a little explanation of why I decided to become a marriage and family counselor is my interest in psychology started with my grandpa. This is my grandpa Harmson that you can see before you, and we look a little bit alike, but people have told me that we are a lot alike in personality, and we have a lot of similar characters. So he was a high school counselor, and he helped many students who didn't have any hope. He was their friend, and he helped them along, and many people are very grateful for that now. And I never met him, but because he was killed in a car accident when my father was 14 years old, but because of him, I have that connection with him in the interest in psychology. Also, while I was on my mission, I received a little bit of revelation that guided me into wanting to become a marriage and family counselor. So I just felt that that is a career that I can pursue and that I would be good at. Also, I looked at the comparison of my reasons to the reasons that students gave in Chapter 13 of why they pursued psychology, and the two that I found that I connected with are because I have a strong interest in the subject matter of psychology, and I am hoping to pursue a bachelor's degree in psychology that will prepare me for a job and also for graduate school. So those were just a couple of reasons that I found myself connecting to other students for their interests. Thank you so much for listening, and have a wonderful day.